వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ లోకల్ టీచర్స్. మీరు మా మీద ఎంతో నమ్మకం పెట్టి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం జరిగింది. ఖచ్చితంగా మీ నమ్మకాన్ని నిలబెట్టుకుంటాం. సో టుడే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ 10th క్లాస్ టాపిక్ activity 2. What is the activity 2 is nothing but we are going to perform an experiment by using sun rays and concave mirror. For this experiment we require concave mirror and paper. So this paper is used as screen. So here keep this concave mirror such that the sun rays will fall on that. Okay, and take a paper and move the paper in front of the concave mirror. At an instant you will get smallest and brightest point. Okay, so how we are getting that smallest and brightest point is nothing but here. See here. So consider this is a concave mirror. So inside it, its surface is smooth and outside its surface is rough. So you consider this is a principal axis. Okay, so you are identified here. This is a midpoint of the pole. So it is denoted by midpoint of the mirror, that is pole. It is denoted by P. Okay. The parallel rays of the sunlight are coming like this. So why we are saying these are parallel rays? So these four incident rays are in parallel with the principal axis. So that we are saying parallel rays. So after incident, these parallel rays will passes through a common point. So after reflecting, these are passes through a common point. That means, so here when the parallel rays, parallel rays fall on the mirror, so this mirror converts all the reflecting rays to a point. So that point is called focus. Here all the rays are converging at a point. So when we are moving paper at this point only, we are getting smallest and brightest point. Why we got that? So here all the rays, reflected rays are converged that particular point only. So we got here. So what that smallest and brightest point indicates, it is the image of the sun only. It is the image of the sun only. When the paper is moving here, initially we are getting the image is very small. So after this F point, so even though we are moving, so the size of the image on the screen goes on increases. Okay. So here the distance between P and F is focal length. So it is denoted by small f. Okay. So consider here the center of the curvature. The distance between P and C is radius of curvature. So it is denoted by capital R. Therefore here the radius of curvature capital R equals to twice of the focal length. Here exactly here. So focal length equals to, we can write the focal length F equals to half of the radius. So what is the length of the focal length? Focal length equals to radius by 2, or radius of the curvature by 2. Okay. So here, so this is the phenomena, this activity to includes. So we got here focus point. So we got the distance, and by experiment we got here smallest and brightest point, which is the image of the sun. Okay. For suppose this phenomenon is applied to the convex mirror. సేమ్ ఇట్లనే కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ ఎలాగైతే మనం పట్టుకొని ఉన్నామో అట్లనే ఒకవేళ కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్, ఇఫ్ వి ఫోకస్ ద కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ సన్లైట్, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? సో లెట్ us see. So this phenomena is applied to convex mirror. Okay. So here convex mirror. So here also hold this convex mirror such that the sun rays fall on it. Okay, here this is convex mirror. So inside it is having rough surface and outside it is smooth surface. So here it is principal axis. Okay, so this is point P. So here also the parallel rays are coming towards convex mirror and fall on the convex mirror. So after falling, so here these rays are reflected like this. So if we observe the reflected rays, those are in diverging in nature. Diverging is nothing but both all are moving in different direction and it originated from a common point. ఒక పాయింట్ నుంచి బయటకు వచ్చినట్టు కనబడతాయి. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ డైవర్జింగ్. సో ఇఫ్ వి ఎక్స్టెండ్ బ్యాక్ ఆఫ్ దట్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రేస్, all will meet at a common point. So this common point we called focus. So here in the concave mirror, the reflected rays converge at a point. In the convex mirror, the reflected rays are diverging in nature. So that means here concave converge and convex mirror diverge the reflected rays.